Important information will follow. We hope this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. Metropolitan Operation Area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for District of Columbia, Southeastern Montgomery County and Central Maryland, Northwestern Winchester County and Central Maryland, Arlington County and Northern Virginia, along with Northern Fairfax County and Northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, and the city of Falls Shores in Northern Virginia until midnight tonight at 8:11. Doppelganger indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rainfall, the expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall of 1 to 6 inches across the Warren area. Watch water is ongoing was by showing as a wide streaking thunderstorm strike source radar with thunderstorm strikes and map right fast water increasing streams, small pieces of streams, increasing streams, squeezing streams, some occasions on those streams, flash water Origin, Rockville, Western, West. Spring, Fairfax City, Belts and S, Falls, Alexandria, Linux, Fairfax and Esther, and then College. Come on! Don't get drawn in the color for most of the color vehicles. These sketchy content are dying with the zone to realize the changes of tornadoes. Again, why? Ready? Short flash money. Again, the National Weather Service issuing a destructive fog warning to all the tires DC areas. Because
we walk you through every step from hand selecting your diamond to creating a ring that reflects your story, not someone else's. Natural or laboratory diamonds we carry. It doesn't